don't know, so we are partying on the rain. No. Don't know. Hear me run some salute. Whoa. Say we never one link you will. One link you will. Shaky. Whoa. We never one link you will. Make your act like a lady. Yeah, but we say we never one link you will. Madam God. We say like man. Put the light in the crowd. Everybody, we have got some of the umbrella. Boom, boom, boom. Have y'all alone and grip the knife and race, man. I'm more than cool, man. We don't know what them get this from. Everybody got some. Boom. Say, I am about them on the race, man. Yeah, the balance it, balance it, balance it. All who gonna pray for Sposa Blanco, my yard. No, me know it's a rain and fall, I'm a year without the Sposa Blanco. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, good. The man never knows so them now support the man will kill you, man. Them put one under the ear like this, so. And everybody wave in the rebel salute, so. Move up, here we go. Me say me never have one link you with. Stop it. Stop it. You don't know women go buy them pretty shoes off of you. Cool, like make you perform in this tonight. Slide me a slide, no. Play something. Who are you coming in? Let me see the boss of that. Who are you coming in? Alright, stop it. Somebody come help me. Ready? Where we put them? We feel like we wake up in a room. Everybody goes a book. Say everybody do it down. Some people are going like a people close them up. All who not have people close, move the umbrella from over your head. No rain now fall. All who not have people close, move them. Me say you not be move and go so. Remember salute, we tell them. What's up? How you feeling? Balance it. People still have umbrellas. Don't run with me. People still have umbrellas. Mr. Lightman, rotate the light them and Mr. One. Yes. People still have umbrellas. Balance. You see this on me Avan? Me just see me in man a while ago. And me can't sweat tonight because I don't feel. My underpants with Avan is not for a boy. The man never have them own underpants must have black over here. The woman never have them own clothes and they can't wait up your now to bring it back. So we don't hear what clothes. So don't go for me. Some man up his squeeze man face. So the why every hand in the air. Jump, jump, that's up. So we don't take more clothes. So don't go for me. Some man up his squeeze man face. So the certain thing about them inherited from foreign. No foreigner don't put up their hand. When the real Jamaicans them, they must have black over here. Alright. No woman don't put up them hand. When the man them they will come from Jamaica, when love woman put them soon must have black. Alright, me a test the crowd rebel salute. What the other day in the Caribbean I'm sing that song here. And them say Octane violate. I say why you violate? Because me chop the microphone and come off. Because me no see no man a move. If me no see the man a move down, get me done with ya. They need me say, girl, and them no feel like how we feel. That mean them not real like how we. When the Jamaican man, they must say, woman, go stop him. Yup, have you got to? Whoa! You know what me done in here? I said, done in here. Everybody, wave again, go stop. Everybody, wave again, go stop. Let me test you, bro. Any chronicle of fans in here? Any Beanie Man fans in here? Any Octane fans in here? All you know say every time them watch me, them get a show, jump again. And we go tell them, say, yeah, think you know hard, you know hard. No, girl, we know hard, and we know. And who are they, who are they? Watch me, watch me. So you go. Alright. Over bleachers. The people them over bleachers, I'm sure the bus are black. So pa 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 pa. The people them over here, so I'm sure the bus are black. Pa 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 pa. Alright, balance. Them say the people them from sentence don't know music. No, new song. The people them know that song. Conquer the club. If the girl want to take me out of the club, bad man no more knows. Everybody must have black book. And Mr. put in big rents for the washing stack. Whoa! Mr. Lightman, shine the light over bleachers. That's what do. Them pay them money. Hold on there, Johnny. Mr. Lightman, shine some light on there, so we see them people there too. Yeah, shine your light on there, so we see them people there too. Let me see some people over there, so too. Shine some light over there, son. Let me see them people there too, man. Over there, son. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, me soon know. See that? Move. Conquer the crew. If the girl want to take me out of the crew, bad man no more knows. Everybody over bleachers, we have got some. I'm Mr. put the big bench for the watch. Rolex and chick, don't you, son? Come a girl thing in a shine. Balance. Someone who don't chick me on a one day rasta. When you come a rebel salute in a red, green and gold, and you can't chick me. So don't come go on like when you don't love vibe starting. Mofado, Octane and Beanie Man. On the lyrics. Alright. Step in the street, get me fresh like water. Pull up over Portmore, stop in at the plaza. Have gal a Portsmouth, some over Gaza. Yo, bro, me no left my charger. Next day, St. James, link up Sparta. Daddy don't like me, gone with the data. And a baller, 18, everybody wave us up. Oh, that's how we do it, What up, I want you to tired. You not tired? Can we just warm up, you know? You not tired? Let me say for the tired. Give me some of the Whoa! Alright, let's start from run yourself. Watch it now. Yo, them a watch me and we now watch them. Them a chat. Don't be chat, don't get. All about nothing but my people. We have a fire gas. They're not here for your gas. Gas up where you shot like a bar and team. Them knows that it's the grass. We want to see everybody we have in a rebel. They can't find them up. Last time I work a rebel salute, me do this. And me I gonna do it again. You know why me always do them thing, Cause my man still sell a roadside because she wants to sell a roadside. Brother, you with the pick, come here. Me I do it again, me always I do it. I'm telling you something. Balance, how much money that in a yard? That's all yourself in there. You have other money.
Hold on the artist, hold on the artist. Just calling the ambulance to forward backstage urgently. Ambulance backstage. Please. Emergency, please. Yes, my artist.
Balance. You said me a 9-year-old. Me see a man had a cow foot. my mother put chicken foot in the soup because she have a customer and kick over the pot. I want to kill him because I'm young, you know. But I say, you know, I'm going to put the anger in the music. That's why I say, hey, you know, I'm not left for no matter how much money I have. Respect to all who and when them are when the real hustler them there, put up your teeth and them sing us up. And it's a respect to all who sell back jokes, who sell it real. Why you put up your goods, Mr. Light, and don't rap with the shine for the goods. Everybody got some. Say, man, that's what I do. Why? What up your goods again? Balance. You see, somehow we're too ungrateful. We're ungrateful, but you know much people don't make it into a new decade. Someone now say Happy New Year's and not even know says a new decade will start. See it? You don't start the decade rich and you have a whole heap of problems. But you make sure you come out and you hustle. See it? You have enough people. Them pay all of them bills because the Almighty give them what they need. Not what they want to go buy eyelash and Gucci bag and show up on people on Instagram. You know much people with money who have AIDS, cancer, arthritis who have changed their life in your life. Because they're in a pain every day. All who know son when them life hard, them now bow out, them remember the Almighty and never yet get up one day and also give thanks to life. Go so, rebel salute. Where them go to? Me no sing for Moses slave. Everybody wave that so. Let me tell you my life. No easy like already. All my bleachers, everybody jump in front of me. Whoa, you're my life. No easy like 1, 2, 3. No easy like already. Balance. Balance. What's your name? Anjo. You can sing? You look like one artist. You can sing. Just hold up your good see away. Say something.
Yes, this is
Talk in the microphone.
This is Octane and Ancho from Spanish. One love, one heart. Let's begin together.
You say true one him go sing. Remember me don't know him, you know. And him go say one love, one heart. You see most youth in the street that do crime. You know why them do crime? Them only need one chance. Only need independent opportunity. All who know see one chance, them need go so. Whoa, get all you need. Them only need one. Ancho, big up yourself. Happy decade, everybody wait for Ancho. That's up. Oh, say right down with it, but it is that. Whoa! So, all who say one opinion go bam. Mr. Lightman lock off all light in the venue. Mr. The rain now fall. Mr. Lightman lock off the bright light there. Lock off the light there for me. Yes. Balance. My name is Octane. When I sing for ratings are something we fluctuate. When you rate me today, I'm a human being. I'm a mash up with a girl and she chat something up on the internet when you're done with me. That's why I deal with prove and work. I put in my work. And my work stand for me. Because people now deal with character and integrity no more. And you have to deal with it as a human being. One time we used to practice that globally. It was a global teaching, but no. See? So a girl can just take off her clothes and run the world. She not have to go in the office or go work hard again. She just take off her clothes and run the world. Or some boy when I want to work, just do some funny things and run the world. So, talent is not the only criteria for you to become famous in these days. You understand? But enough people will put them life on the back of field for way. Them in there in 2020. Oh, used to split your world in two halves. cut. Yes, when the preacher pray over the body that day, he turned me to me. When the Octane fans them there, more soon and we have got some. So we know we lose a friend. So we know we lose a friend, yeah. So we know we. Everybody feel a wave in there, go bam, 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 bam. Balance. Me tell Tony Rebel say when you book me, you book Octane. Don't tell me say you book by your me work. I Octane your book. So when me come here, me just do what me need for do. See it? Balance. What the people them like Vibes Cartel and love Vibes Cartel, Bossa Blanco over the head. No, we know none of Gaza lion. Bossa Blanco over the head. Good. Yo. Them can't stop the fire. Balance. Him appeal soon come true. Them set a come true. We say brother when him chance now, me don't love him get bail first. You know why? Him never sell out. That's how we lack as human being. Loyalty. We fit stop have people as project. Me have you as a human being and you have me as a project. So once me no seems like me appealing no more, you're done with me and move on to the next project. A life we are deal with. You understand? The people that will not sell out, go so. And one thing me know, a real tree never sell out the lake, yeah. And that's how me grow. A real dog never. Everybody wave again. Rebel salute, enough man. And run one day through them brain life. Them brain life. I said, enough take a principal cool concrete. I spend nights here. Me say free study your friend. Got them a study up. Balance. Take my daughter off my stage and bring her come over here, son. Or who not ramp with? My opinion them have a done star too. Bring her over here so fast. Banks on the forward. Me tell her say anywhere me go, no go. Yeah, speak up yourself, Cubans. Bring her over here, son. Hurry up before them tell me the time up. Yes. Alright, my friends. We're gonna jump down the brother and be a thick, strong people over there, say now. How would the man? Yeah. Hurry up. Big up Oche. Liquor Oche. Seafood. Okay, good. Anybody else want me big up nothing? It's the black say you don't know Cuban, Gavi Massive. What? Oh? Hold on, man. Big up the seller there. Big up Keisha. Keisha, your wife. Okay, she over there, so. So, oh, you come a VIP and leave your wife in a bleachers. You're a wicked man. That's why I want to get burned. Keisha, hold on. Me soon start you out for him. Watch me and you. I'm here ramp with. Happy birthday to Carlene. Oh, Carlene. Keisha. That's Keisha? No. Carlene, Miss Carlene, make up yourself. Where's she there? Hurry up. What's your name? What's your name? Original phone girl. Original phone girl. Good girl. You don't know what you say. Play the rhythm. Balance. You see she? One of my daughter then play keyboard. She said she want the music. One of my son then play drum. The next one said she want to be a doctor. She said, Daddy, go watch your life over the years. And she come to me with a song one day and I cry. And I said, I go voice you and put it to the world. Balance. She named Octavia. Stand up right there, son. Sing this. Wanna do a ramp with my daughter. Wanna tell her good night. Oh.
not trust some boy, wanna see I come round, yeah. Daddy, me not trust some girl, wanna see I come round, yeah. Cause I look straight in their face. Mr. Jealousy, I cover them all. Me not trust some boy, wanna see I come round. Next verse. Daddy, me not trust some boy, wanna see I come round, yeah. Daddy, me not trust some boy, wanna see I come round, yeah. Daddy, me not trust some girl, wanna see I come round, yeah. Cause I look straight in their face. Must the jealousy, I cover them all. Me not trust some boy, wanna see I come round, yeah. Mama see I come round, yeah. You step into the street and them beg it. Feed them friendship, they ready. Them not talk about the good what you do. Some just walk past them and hold a steady medi.
Uno boss a blank fiat. Uno boss a blank fiat. You sure you sing that? Me say. Me tell them we bust your head and come back from love. I ain't gonna them you. All who born for your friends, they born for your friends. Grab a salute. Whoa, say I'm being hurt by friends.
I've been hurt by friends. Making my way.
Easy. If I run them applause. Bust your boss, as she take her out of rain. 2 weeks and sick, you have school figure. Yeah, cover. All who love the performance, boss a blank. One half round there for me. Hold on. All who love Octane, boss a blank. No, do it better than that. Because some of them media hosts, no care what think me do about you, them right about me. Until them hear a woman say, me nah mind me pick them and that them right about. Uno fi stop it. I wanna right about everybody else. Uno fi tap it. Me I work hard, boy. Don't do it. But the fans them will know say Octane do great, boy. Boss a blank, me hear uno. Record that and put that on TV. Give me something. Ready? You see me? Me a no bad man. See it? Good. That's why I make sure the things within the law. But let me tell you this. You see any man violate my mother, we run wanted tomorrow. You know why? Me say us around a coronation market. No set up because she talk it. All who love them mother, let me see a wave, that's up. Everybody must a wave, rubber salute. More time be a foot, she have to walk. Still she stand firm like a faglet. Run a bleachers, everybody wave. Everybody go some mama. Then go.
Mama, you alone.
You don't love your mother. You put up your hand, man. Remember you force them to go record, you know. And once you now move them, I go say me flat. Put up your hand. You don't love your mother. Get up. Get up. Oh man, you're on the phone over there, son. Oi. You don't love mommy. You don't love your mother. Everybody will love their mother, go son. Us around the coronation market. No sense. Do the rebel looking at your shoe, all the rain or fall. Everybody go so then go. More time bill. Everybody will know them mother birthday. Must have been on come again. Go so bam. Let me see you top the sky. Go so. Whoa. Mama, you alone. It's so. Good. What you have over there for me? Because the umbrella them come out. Quick before them come out. What have over there? Okay. Two wanna come here. Yeah, man, yeah, your wife come here, man. Come here. Two wanna come here. Balance. Not nervous, come up here. Put a chair. Put 2 chairs and stand up and them can soon. Put 1 chair and 1 chair this one. Yes. 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 Come on, celebrate this, huh? Alright. Jump up, my boss. You jump up. Give me a hand. Yes. And then so take up this beautiful lady. Where you from? What the umbrella? Me can't wait up. Maryland, me can't sick. Come here. Me can't sick. Come here. What's your name, honey? Keisha. What's your name? Glenford Cole. You see the next time you left her over bleachers and you come in a grandstand. Me tell you what happened to you. No, me not embarrass you. Stand up here, son. Me tell you what happened to you. You so she beautiful. Somebody I gotta tell her this. Rub down my chest, baby. Let me feel like a king tonight. Yes, yes. And me a lock off the phone. Tell the promoter so me not feel like sing tonight. Turn off the lights, lady. And where you gonna tell the person this? No, that's you tell him say no. You gonna say, my youth me can't do it. The man who the vex just. Whoa! Give them a round of applause to the place. What you are going now? Let me hold the umbrella. Hug her up. No, hug her up. Turn around. Give me a love song for them. Give me a love song for them. Give me a love song for them. Let me hold the umbrella over your head. Ready now, man? Na 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 na. Hey, na 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 na. Wise for your wife, man. Oh God, yeah. Missing you lying crazy. Missing you, baby, me elbow. And this is what it is. When you get wet, yeah, man. See that, see that. Oh God, missing you lying crazy. Oh God, missing you, baby, me elbow. So, give them a round of applause to me, please. Love here. CF Chip, give thanks for the support. All the best. Happy 2020. Give them a round of applause to me, please. All right, go Banks. Ready? A sheep was the place that you time name Banks. Ready, no man? Ready, no man? That you time name Banks. All who say more young artists in 2020, Bossa Blanco, my God. Yes, Mr. Lightman, respect. I have to general, enough respect to that. Rebel salute. My name is Banks, the artist. Who don't know me, get to know me now. Let's read it for me, brother. Yes, me is a youth. I believe in our Most High God. But without him, nothing possible. Saying anything, we don't put the Most High first. And people who believe in our Most High, just give me a signal. Let's Bossa Blanco over here. Right? Alright, let me know. Let me tell you now. Are you ready now, Johnny? Banks the artist. And when me not have no food to eat, still I sing on the beat. Yes, me still I sing. Me lock me high and pray. Protect me night and day. Most die. Yeah, me try till me weak, but it still seems steep. Yeah, me still I try. Inside my heart break. Me feel like run away. Rebel salute. More time me now go if it turn to. Now go if it turn. Enough time me ball too much burner. Oh, it's not gonna work. But me a go with the fake, I got not sleep. I say got not sleep. Rebel salute with the fake, I got not sleep. I say got not sleep. You seen anything you do? You see work? Words without work can't sustain. Saying anything you do, talk but make sure say you work towards it, is it? I'm tell you something about the artist now. A chapter a day, I'm clear my part. Me nah sit down a ball with and from me jaw out me got cause to help those who help themselves. Me must get some reward. It ain't rough, it ain't right, that's the life we live. Well, I know do want everyone to feel it. Call and Johnny, we send an angel. When you feel like life so up, no meaning. Yeah, me now go if it turns up. Boy, enough time for ball too much burner. Yeah, oh, it's not gonna but me a one with the fake, I got not sleep. Yeah, I be say got not sleep. I just find a way, I got not sleep. I be say got not sleep. God not sleep. Bossa Blanc film. Bossa Blanc film. Bossa Blanc film. Be back Pluto country. Quick. Alright. Never next young artist. If never move, but him come look.
Hey, Rebel Salute. And I hear you there performing across this area. Hey, Jerry, give me a one drop. Hey, watch out now. Pull a shirt on the damn shot. Alright, tight jeans with a one club. When the road we a rock, bro. When I drink out a cup, that will pop up. Alright, pull a shirt on the damn shot. Tight jeans with a one club. Jerry, boy, you give me a bad one drop, hear that? One drop. Skin bleach and I see the vein. When it just a fall and I see the rain. I'm a done said, just a give me brain. I said, just 5 minutes. We don't jump in the rain. Just like a damn with the grain. Please, girl. Level. You see that, man? Me have to respect me a one job. When you respect Octane, now. When the first time black for Octane. When you respect Tony, now. Look how make a flip it now. One chop, one a drumming. That's all I know. Listen, one chop. Today I'm the birthday dog, so we jump out clean. In my bed slippers and my think talk ease. Man kept full up, boy can't jump. And she step in at the car, she a sleep. She said, alright, birthday boy. Say you want to for your birthday. She said, you're going up on a birthday boy. She used to the thing. But I'm telling you, I said, never. Bad man not true with the cha-cha, girl, you know?
Or the boss of black for the young artist, them goes up, stop it. My name is Octane. All the respect the performance, Bossa Blanco over here. When me hear bleachers, Bossa Blanco over there, goes up, when me see grandstand or VIP, Bossa Blanco over there. And before I go, when me soon wave the umbrella side to side. Just stay under the umbrella and wave it side to side. Right there, so just wave the umbrella side to side. All who believe in the Almighty, just wave the umbrella side to side. Balance. Rebel Salute. Both me have enemies. Of course we have friends. And of course we have family. Hear me no on stage. I said no close to me. Most high. Tell your boy, cha-cha. Ain't no. And the Almighty Father real. Let me soon wave the every gospel. Hey, cha-cha, me a walk with you. I a talk with you. Me not let you go. Cha-cha, me a walk. Balance, Ryan, big up yourself. Rebel Salute, big up yourself. Tony Rebel, Queen Africa. You know why I come out to the rain and wet the phone up? Balance. It's because I remember. What you see food? Are you first play? You say she first book me. Big up yourself. I remember, babes, when I have short-term memory. That's why I went up in the rain. You know why I went up in the rain? Because I remember I not even have one fan. I walk with CD and wish somebody play a CD for me. Now I become a big artist. Someone free it forward. Someone forget about the fans. Them talk about them clothes. Your fans come before your Louis shirt and your Louis belt and your Louis pants, my youth. Your fans come before your car and your house. And them invest in you. That's why we can wait up in the rain because we have money if we got doctor tomorrow. Let me tell you this. Rebel Salute. Whoa. Balance. God, there is more to life than money. I tell you more to life than fame. So if me not sell my soul for earth, I have more in a scientific. Me put my life in the hands of the Father. You want him up the blood sugar, yeah. Me know me need food and me know me need shelter. Hear me no Cubans. Sentence I say no close to me. All the rest of my performance for me son funny way of like this was up. Balance. Me now left till me get this. Wanna move the umbrella and give me a round of applause. Wanna don't ramp with me now. Wanna move the umbrella and give me a round of applause. A new decade this, me now ramp with it. Me need me credit like phone. Wanna move the umbrella and give me a round of applause. Good. Love one up.